What's up, yo? It's another lovely day. Today is Sunday. It is a day of rest. So anyways, holy crap, can you hear that? Where's it at? Man, that plane was loud. Uh-oh, I got a friend right there. So anyways, today's Sunday. As you know, I'm listening to some Sunday soft sounds on Cozy 106.5. But you know, it is a day of rest, so I'm not really gonna do a lot today. Went to church. That was pretty much it. And I'm covering half of the camera. Look at my son. This is what church music does to him. Knocks him out. So for those of you with kids and you guys want to like make sure they fall asleep, take them on a short ride. And not like my last video where you play techno music. You gotta play some slow Sunday soft church music. So we're just chilling over here. My wife had to run in and get some food because we gotta cook dinner tonight. So I know we really like to procrastinate. Here they are. She finally realized it was a camera. But anyways, so we gotta cook dinner. We're heading to my wife's parents' house to you know, chill, spend some quality QT, which is quality time. So, alright, y'all. Peace. Oh, say hi.
Hi.
Say hi, Drina.
Hi. I said hi outside.
I know, but still, you have to say hi inside now.
Look, Jack's woke
Say
up.
hi.
Jack's woke up.
You're waking him up.
I'm looking in the car.
It's from you, Zipper. Go back to sleep.
He's going back to sleep. Shh. Oh, he's yawning. Oh, he's waking up.
Night, everyone.
Alright, so anyways. Alright, y'all. He makes me want to sleep, so I might sleep on the road while driving.